Hello and welcome to my channel. This is a new video, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make Play-Doh slime. So right here I have some green slime. I know it looks blue on the camera, and then I have some green Play-Doh. Let's get into this. Yeah. Okay, let's mix this in. It's getting sticky. Sorry about the noises. My siblings are in the living room. Let me get my activator, which is detergent. Oh, there's no more. Oh, damn it. To dig it in there. There's a little bit in there. Ew. Okay. Leave a like if you're enjoying this video. Thank you. It's all over my phone. Yes, I am recording with my phone because I don't have no camera yet. So you can see it is getting stickier, but it is not ruining the slime. So I think this is a success, but a little bit of a fail because it's a little bit stickier. And over there, here is some extra. Oh no, I got stuck to paper. Damn it. Okay. Anyways, let me add some more detergent in this. Yes. If you're wondering what I'm using, it is Gain. Gain works perfectly good with me. I did too much. I can't do this with one hand. So here's the finished product. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And peace. Well,